You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from Latin, stay tuned. The Latin pronunciation here is pronounced as pluribus. The English pronunciation, this is the name of a television series, pluribus. Pluribus. Pluribus, not pluribus, pluribus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.